Hey guys, it's Ivy, and welcome to the coupon count. We are going in Dollar General to do our 5 off 25 haul, plus our scenarios and some bonuses. And don't forget to tune in because, as usual, I always have a real good for you at the end. So let's go. Yeah, that's like price for full price, 10 cents. Okay. Oh, what's this? It's the front of the book is out of it though. Let's see. I guess I'll get those. They 10 cents. This guy. That's that more. Oh, okay, that's something good. Let's see. Okay. 30 cents. Our first deal off our 5 off 25 is this weekend. On the 30th, we're going to grab these cheeses, 3 for $5. Okay, the second thing we're going to grab is one Prego. You know what? Let me try the... I don't know if it make a difference, but let me try this one right here. It's a price cut, and it is buy one Prego, get sauce 24 or 38, and get one Barilla 16 ounce free. So we're gonna get this. This is $2, and we're gonna grab one Barilla, which that is a 1 pound box, which is a 16 ounce. Okay. So subtract 140. You're going to grab one Snuggle at $3.95. We have a digital coupon for $2 off, making it $1.95. So grab one of these. So we're going to grab 2 Ajaxes. Buy one, get one free. They are $3 a piece. So you can grab 2. And 2. Okay, so let's go over here and get the Schick. 2 of these. Save $3 when you buy 2. Okay, so I had to grab the razors, guys, and walk away because they had their music blasting, and I do not want that to be in my video, okay? Okay, so what you should have is 2 Ajax at $3 each, 1 Schick razor at $4, 1 Snuggle at $3.95, 1 Prego at $2, 1 Barilla pasta at $1.40, and 3 boxes of cheeses that's 3 for $5. Now the cheese is 3 for $5. That coupon should be $1 off and 75 cents off. Okay, and the Barilla pasta, the Prego is $2, and then you get that buy one Prego sauce, Prego pasta sauce, get a Barilla for free. Okay, then I've already used my Snuggle coupon, so you should get $2. So click the $2, clip the $2 Snuggle coupon, and I already used my Schick coupon. Clip the $2 Schick coupon. Hold on, I think I still got it. So this is the $2 Schick coupon. This is the $3 Schick coupon, making that $1. And this is the store coupon, 3 for $5, and then it'll give you a discount off, 2 for $3. But we're getting cheeses, so those are 3 for $5. That's the 75 cent off coupon for the Cheez-It. That's the buy one get one free Ajax or Palmolive. And you also should get a $1 coupon. If not, you're gonna come out with an extra $1 to pay. Okay, guys. But all of this together should have came out to $8.55. Use whatever coupons you need for overage. Any coupon you just use for overage, please use that coupon. Okay, let's grab 2 Airwicks at $3.35. And we got a $1.50 off coupon. Okay, so we want one Cardinal at $5. Okay, we're gonna grab 2 Mucinex at $5.50. 2 of these at $5.50. And 2 of these Love Beauty Implantants, the coconut ones at $5 a piece. Okay. Make sure you clip the 5 off 25, the $4.50 off of Love Beauty Implanted, and the $3 off Love Beauty Implanted. $2.50 off the Airwick coupons, 1 Cottonelle coupon, 2 $5 Mucinex coupon. Okay, now once you get to that, grab something for about 25 cents. to 50 cents. Okay, don't go over that. In your cart, you should have 2 Love and Beauty and Planets, 2 Airwicks, 2 Mucinex, 1 Cottonelle, and 1 piece of candy. This is how that second 5 off 25 haul should look. Okay, after you do that, what are we paying out of pocket? With all your coupons, you should be paying $6.05 out of pocket. Use whatever overage you have to bring that down, okay? Whatever overage you have to bring that down. Now let's go to some 2 more hauls. They are bonus hauls. So these are not 5 off 25s. They are bonus hauls. Again, bonus hauls. Okay, we need 2 of these naturals right here at $5. 2 of the 34 count games. 2. So this is the coupon that's going to work. It's this one. It's the $4 off 2 right here. $4 off of 2. Along with 2 of these. That's going to give you $8 off. So you're going to pay $1 a piece for these. Then you're going to use 2 other games that come out of Retail Me Not 117 and the $5 off Mucinex that we've been using all month long, okay? After you do all of that, this is how your haul should look. This is a bonus, guys. This is what you should be paying out of pocket, $2.50. $2.50, yes. Now for our super bonus, you're going to grab 1 Mucinex at $5.50, 2 games at $2 a piece, the 34 count, okay? You're going to use 1 Mucinex coupon and 2 other game coupons. Guess what you're going to pay out of pocket? Guess what? Bam, 50 cents out of pocket. There you go. That is your 5 off of 25 deals and your bonus deals, under $5 deals, bonus deals, lowest 50 cent deals. Use whatever coupons you have to bring down your overage. I did show you that, so that should not be a issue, okay?